How to add music to an Instagram story. First of all, tap on your profile picture in the lower right. Then tap on the plus symbol in the upper right. And tap on story. If you already have a story draft that you would like to add the music to, then it is now time for you to select that one. In case you would like to create a new story and then add music to that one, then tap on camera. That's actually also the option that we're gonna choose right now. However, rest assured that adding music to an Instagram story works in the exact same way for new stories that you create or stories that you already saved as a draft before. So I tap on camera now, and I record a new story by tapping on the white button in the middle. Please note that you can only add music to your Instagram story after recording it. So let me record now. Once your story is recorded, tap on Done in the upper right. Now to add music to your Instagram story, tap on the sticker icon on top and choose Music. You can then either choose one of these popular music tracks from this list here, or on top you can search for a specific music track by simply typing in the name of the song. Once you have found your song, you can click on the play button on the right to preview the track, or you can simply tap on the track itself and it will then be immediately added to your story. In our case, we will go with the song Peace by Oliver Jensen. So I simply tap on it to add it. You should then hear the song that you added to your story. The reason you don't hear the song now on my video is simply that I can't play back the song because I will get copyright issues. Once you have chosen your song, you can use the slider at the bottom to make sure that the music track fits your story. Once you're satisfied with the results, tap on Done in the upper right. The steps as shown in this video work for both Android and iOS iPhone. So to add music to your very own Instagram stories, all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. But what about if you would like to add your very own music to an Instagram story? How could that be done? To find out, make sure to watch the next video on my channel.